Hi guys, welcome to CHADWM, and the topic of the video is basically have a look at what happens if you install an extra package, and it's called sudo pacman-s arcolinux. CHDWM is for Pacman and it uses a hook. So if you install this one, the general idea is that you want to keep your settings. That's why I've changed this here, top bar, and the title of the video could have even easily been how to make sure the bar is at the bottom. So 0 means bottom bar. I just switched the one with the 0. That's it. And it's in the config dev h and in the config h as well, right? Top bar 0. Now about that, let's make things light and interesting. Voila, like that, because all the time you have to go here, and maybe one more, right? So in here, these two guys, let's have a look. I keep them always the same. It's a reflex. I just keep them the same. But actually, we don't need this one. Config h is the one that's been created. If you type make, voila, there he is, and sudo make install. And basically this is your own setup, choosing here super shift R reload, choosing to go to the bottom. Now if, and that's the point, our ArcoLinux look is the bar at the top, you decide otherwise. So if you start changing all kind of things, you don't want it to be overwritten each time we install, and it will be overwritten because we need to have a system that works. If we put into ArcoLinux B CHDWM, it has to be there. It's not, it's something different. It's an app, right? The whole desktop is an application. So I've made up this Pacman hook that if correct. If we get a new package in for this particular desktop, this happens. The white thing is saying let's build CHDWM, the desktop, from etc.scal, so we're really sure everything works. Now later on, so if you have a system, you can add the Pacman hook to it, and then it will also build it. But the green stuff is go and see if there is a particular folder, this folder, and the only variable is your name, Eric. So if that's correct, it's gonna go to home, Eric, config, arco, CHDWM, that URL, start changing folders. It won't work, right? But anything in this folder, change it, and it gets rebuilt. Hence the color, the white is ArcoLinux, the green is personal, that's yours. And here it says personal Pacman hook CHADWM stop. Basically means if I do super shift R, my bar is still at the bottom. Got it? So the personal desktop is not overwritten, is not changed. Basically you're free to change anything you like. If you install the Pacman hook, then this will be always applied again. That's the green bit, right? It goes to this folder and it says what we normally say in here is a make and a sudo make install. And this manual process is now a hook, basically. Super shift R, nothing changes, of course. Voila, that's something I wanted to share, and enjoy this particular desktop. Start changing it. Next video is I'll just apply another theme, because frankly I like this theme, obviously, and it's the default from CHDWM, so it did great work. All right, cheers.